Just under a minute now for the numbers, guys. Just under a minute now for the numbers. 1.65 million on the build expected. Let's see what happens in terms of the numbers. Let's see what happens. We've got our key levels 42, 41, 50, 55s. Fair value 41, 41.75, 41.80. A lack of offers above the market. A lot of bids below the market still. The liquidity's pulling away hard, guys, on the offer. This liquidity's vanished at 42s. So this has moved all the way back out of here to 42.5 now, guys. Okay, we got a spike higher, so I've made some money. I've taken some profits there on the numbers. I took some profits. I'd obviously been buying into this before the news there, so I'd take some profits there as we came back up. I wasn't that impressed by the numbers themselves. So that's a really disappointing number again, isn't it? Just watching the liquidity to see if there's any change to anybody's particular view on that narrative, but there hasn't really been any change. Liquidity starting to add back in now, so that's the thickness of the liquidity coming back out. 42s, the liquidity starting to come back in around about the 42s. So I like the trade. I mean, I was long anyway. I had an average price on that. I've made $4,000 on the trade. $5,000 on the trade at the moment. $5,000 on the trade so far. $5,500 on the trade so far. So just booking profits against that trade. Obviously, I'm bidding into this before the news. That's what I was doing during that period, guys. Obviously, bidding into this because there's nothing else I could do about it. That's why I was worried about it. So bidding into this with a bullish sentiment. As I said, just a little bit concerned about this little slope here. But we've done well. We've came off the bottom edge with some size. We've played the game. We've made $5,000 or $6,000 on the trade. And I'm happy with the outcome. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad either. It's not great, but it's not bad either, guys. So profits in the bank account. And that was another disappointing oil release. Been a while since we've had a good oil release, actually, to be honest.